Hey guys, so I have got some top tips for overwintering your veg today. Now I'm going to start with my Brussels sprouts, which unfortunately have been absolutely destroyed this year by slugs, snails, cabbage white butterflies, you name it, they've had it. But at the moment, their biggest enemy is the pigeons. The pigeons love to come down and strip all the leaves. So I have netted them over, but I have a couple of other ideas. I'm going to use this windmill as well, which hopefully, because it's moving, will stop the birds from coming down. And of course, the scarecrow. Now these are parsnips that I sowed back in February. It's always a good idea with parsnips to harvest them after the frost because they taste much sweeter. I'll just pick these as and when I'm ready to eat them. This is perpetual spinach, which is one of my favourite crops to grow. I tend to leave it until it dies. I love harvesting the smaller leaves for salads, and the larger leaves are delicious in a stir fry. Now over the winter time, to protect it from frost and keep it going for as long as it can, I just cover it with some horticultural fleece. Now the only thing to think about is if you get really heavy snow, make sure you come down, shake it all off, because it's so heavy it will just crush all the crops underneath. It's a good idea to mulch around some of your crops as well. I'm using peat-free compost for this, but there's lots of other things you can use. You could use leaves, straw, or even maybe some wood chip. Not only is this going to add lots of goodness around your crops, but it's also going to help protect them against the frost. So the final job that I'm going to do to get my allotment ready for the winter is to prune back some of my fruit bushes. Now this is a blackcurrant, it's called Big Ben, but I planted this in this year. So it's quite young, it's quite small and vulnerable. So I'm going to prune it back just by cutting to a bud. And this should hopefully protect it against snapping in any wind that we have over the winter. And snapping would not be good because it might damage the plant and let in disease. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more great content from BBC Gardener's World magazine.